Hey everyone, welcome to Tomorrow DIY. So today I'm going to do an unboxing of Rigor tools. I won't be doing a full review just because I don't have anything to work on at the moment to use them on at the moment. But at the same time, I do want to unbox them and at least show you the quality and to see if it's something you're willing to buy for yourself. I got these off of Amazon. I really like these. They're really affordable. They're great for a starting mechanic or for someone that does work on their car at home, and it's really light on your wallet. So let's unbox or unbag the spark plug sockets. This is a 14 millimeter magnetic swivel spark plug socket, and this is ideal for example Nissans. For example, I was working on my cousin's Nissan Versa, and I would have liked to have this. I had to buy a different tool from AutoZone, and it wasn't as great. This is actually magnetic. It's has a swivel end. You can add a 12-inch 3/8 extension on here. It's well made, so I like that. Let's look at the swivel. It is made of, wow, it's nice steel. It's magnetic. Let's get these opened up. There we go. So a little difficult to do one-handed. There we go. Let's try to get this in the camera. Nice packaging. Ooh, okay. Probably don't have to cut anything. All right. So these are the swivel adapters. We have a 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. And they even come with this neat organizer. So let's take them out. Nice. They're not as bulky as other universal joints that I've seen. I do like this design. I mean, I don't have much experience with swivel adapters or universal joints. So let me know in the comments below your experience with different types of universal joints, because I know they're made differently for various applications. I don't know the difference. You know, I'd be lying if I said I did. That's the 3/8 inch. And here's the 1/2 inch. Okay. So that stuff you see on there must be some sort of grease. That was rust or something. So these are going to come in handy in future projects, because I've been looking for some of these. I know they have something similar at Harbor Freight, but honestly, they seem a lot bulkier just because the design is a little different. These seem to be more compact, and I don't know, I just like them more. I believe these cost $19.95 each set. So even if you're getting the impact ones, you're not going to be paying extra, because usually for the impact version you pay a little bit more than the regular chromoly steel. Oh, maybe I said that wrong. Let's unbox these. And there's a part number for the impact universal swivel socket adapter set, 11601. And here's the part number for the regular, 25011. According to their website, they do have a lifetime warranty. So I've never had bad experience with buying certain tools from Amazon. Usually the vendors do under their do under their warranty and they send you free replacements, you know, when you contact them directly. Let's check these out. Ooh, these feel solid. And I do like the branding. I do like the etching they have, so it's easier to tell, you know, what you're grabbing. Each little adapter has its own part number. So here's the 1/4 inch with its ball detent. And like I said, guys, it's not a review, you know. I have to put these through their paces. Maybe make another video where I'm using them. I'm just trying to show you, you know, the quality. To me, they look really good. You know, obviously, I can't compare these to something from like Snap-on or Matco just because I don't own those. And, you know, for me, for the price, they're too expensive. I don't work on cars every day, but, you know, this is a good affordable option. You know, I think a professional would actually like using these just because, you know, you might misplace it or lose it. So this is a good backup set. You know, I would think for a professional mobile mechanic or dealer technician, I think these would be a great alternative to have in their tool cart. You know, until the Snap-on truck or the Matco truck arrives at the either at the shop or the dealership, and they can warranty their, you know, their broken set. You know, they can have these as a backup. You know, because when you're working at a shop or a dealership, you know, you don't have the luxury of downtime. You know, if you lose a tool or an adapter or socket, you know, you can't just not use your tool. So you got to have a backup, and these are a great affordable backup. You know, instead of buying multiple sets, because it can get expensive, especially for the home mechanic like me. You know, it's nice to have something like this that's affordable, easily accessible. So I got both of these, you know, for impact and regular hand tools, and I definitely needed this. This is a great addition for just changing spark plugs on other people's cars, especially for those Nissans. The regular socket sets that you get in your regular toolbox or any cheap toolbox, those don't work. They don't fit. And sometimes a normal 14mm socket won't fit either because it's too bulky. You need a thin wall socket, and this is great because it's magnetic. I don't like the other ones that have the little rubber insert inside, because over time that gets loose and sometimes that gets stuck on the spark plug. So when you're trying to take it out, the little rubber boot on the inside is already stuck on the spark plug, so you have to use some other means to get it out. Usually what I do is get a vacuum hose and just put it over the spark plug, and then that'll make it easier for me to take it out. But magnetic is great. This one's about 15 bucks. Actually, no, this one's actually, I believe, $12.95. The $15.95 one is the one that comes with a 12-inch extension that's permanent on this, but I opted for this one because it was like a few bucks cheaper. And the other thing is, you know, you can add your own 12-inch 3/8 inch adapter to this, you know, as an extension. So, you know, and I do apologize for my voice. It's a little under the weather, so try not to cough here on camera and hold my breath. So I'm trying to make these videos for you guys, you know, trying to keep my word that you know, I'm gonna make these videos on these products that I got recently. So yeah, Rigor, they're on Amazon. You know, there's the product features. So get this to focus. So I think these are great quality for what you get. Like I said, it doesn't break the bank. You know, these have a lifetime warranty. While you're getting these warranted, you could probably buy another set really cheap. Like I said, both of these are $19.95 a piece. And if you get them on Amazon, you know, you get that next day shipping. You know, I got these the next day when I ordered them last week. So, I've just been holding them, it's taking me a while to make this video. But yeah, I got these together, ordered them. I think it was like last Friday, and I got them the next day, Saturday. So you can get these really quick. They're affordable. Um, they look to be better quality than something that you would get at Harbor Freight. I know a lot of people like getting their tools at Harbor Freight. I do too, but it's always great to have options. And these are great. These don't look like they're gonna snap on you, because I've had uh, adapters and extensions that if you put too much torque, they just snap right off. And sometimes I don't have the luxury to make that trip to Harbor Freight and get it replaced. It's just nice to know that I have high quality tools at an affordable price that I can rely on for my projects, for working on my vehicles, or for other customers' vehicles. So yeah, I'm gonna put links below in the description uh, where you can get these on Amazon. They're a great price. As far as I know, there's no discounts, but yeah, definitely. If you're looking for anything like this, definitely get them. They're made well. No complaints. I haven't used them yet, but I can't wait to start using this and give you guys an update. Do a actual full review and actually put some, elbow grease into these and use them. So let me know what you think. What are your experiences with these kind of extensions? What's the best kind? Because I know they're made differently. I don't know the nomenclature, but I know these universal joints have different ways of being made. Some have advantages over the other. So let me know. I'm not very well versed in these, but I saw these. They looked at a great price. They have really good reviews, so I just wanted to try them out for myself. This is not definitely a sponsored video at all. This is just my honest unboxing and small review about these tools. I actually like the branding. They're made well. No complaints. They don't feel cheap. And like I said, for anyone wanting to add tools to their tool set, these don't break the bank, and they're a great addition. So hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, and share this video. And I appreciate your time and effort in watching my videos. If you have any suggestions below, I always take constructive criticism. Let me know. So you guys be blessed and take care.